Where are we going today? Where are we going today? To a restaurant? What are we going to eat at the restaurant?
Pancakes.
What do you like with your pancakes?
Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza? And what are you wearing?
Pajamas.
You're wearing pajamas? Are you wearing a special sweater?
Yeah.
Who's on your sweater?
Yumi.
Ethan, who's on your sweater?
Crickets.
Chick Hicks is on your sweater? Pretty cool. And what do you have in your bag?
I have soap.
You have soap?
Shampoo.
Oh, and what does Ethan have in his bag?
Flour. Flour. Flour.
There's a flower on your bag?
Flour on my back.
What are you holding in your bag?
Book.
What kind of book?
My goodness.
Oh,